Hello friends. Today in this video I will show you how to increase maximum upload size in XAMPP local server. Now go to your favorite web browser and open your local WordPress site. Open Dashboard. Go to Media option and click to Library. Click to Add New button. Now you can show the maximum upload size is 2 MB. I have upload RAR file up to 1.97 MB. This file is upload successfully. I have upload MP4 file up to 39.3 MB. This file is upload not successfully. Now open your XAMPP control panel and click to Explorer button. Open PHP folder and find php.ini file. Edit php.ini file in any editor. I have used Notepad++ editor. Press Ctrl and F to open Find options. Then type post_max_size. Change size 2 MB to 200 MB. Then type upload_max_file size. Change size 2 MB to 200 MB. Press Ctrl and S to save this file. Restart your XAMPP all services. Refresh dashboard page site. Go to Media Library. Click to Add New button. Now you can show the maximum upload size is increased up to 200 MB. Now upload MP4 file. File size is 39.3 MB. And upload successfully. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and share the video. It really motivates me to make awesome stuff for you. Follow on social media for latest update.
Thanks for watching. You can show my previous and random video. Follow me on social media like a Twitter, Facebook and Insta. I have upload videos on ethical hacking, CCNA, Android, error fixing, Windows, networking, green screen etc.